Hey everyone, this is how to easily fix your LED light strips in case they aren't turning on or just don't work in general. It could be also this bugger here. But yeah, let's get right into the video. So, mine is pretty much powered by USB. See this? It goes right to the LED light itself. The computer has enough power to power it. I will tell you one step to fix it later with this reason. But for now, like always in all my videos, this may be the culprit right here. See the 4-pin? So this side has LED controller on it. This side is just blank. Alright. Look. Take this out. Pull it out properly. See, now it's obviously not working because it's not plugged in. But look, put it back in this way for example. Look, so this thing, swap it around this way, and look what happens. Once I plug it in, I have to actually be careful. Oh, hold on. Oh man, what am I gonna do? Let's see. Okay. I have to use my foot. So yeah, look. Plug it back in. Carefully, don't bend the prongs, the 4 prongs at all. So plug it back in, look. It won't turn on now. So first thing I always tell everyone to do is take this out. See? Swap it around, and then I'll show you. So this is the other way now. And then put it back in gently. Don't bend the 4 metal prongs because it may blow up the LED light itself. Not like blow up in smokes or whatever, just won't work. And now look, so, and if you wanna change you know, how the LED light works, is this gonna zoom in? So mode, you know how it flickers? You want to change that, keep pressing this. So if you don't want it like flicking, keep pressing it. See how it keeps flicking, and you don't want that. You want it like just staying on the collar. Keep pressing it, look. So this one, it's a fade. And it just stays like this, changes all collars, which is really nice. Or if you just want a normal one, just press one of the buttons, like one of the collars on your LED remote, and yeah, it should stay like that. Okay, so the next step is the remote itself. You may not actually have a battery in it. You have to check if your LED remote battery actually has one in it. Remote actually has a battery in it. And to open this up, see that thing on the left? You have to pull that to the right and then pull down at the same time. I'll show you how to do this. I'm going to do it upside down. So what you have to do, look, pull that to the left. It's so hard to do on my own, but yeah, pull it to the left and then pull out at the same time, just like that. So this thing, you have to push it in because it's got a clip on the end. See that little clip right there? You have to push that and then pull out at the same time, right? So see how the LED remote is facing upwards or downwards? Pretty much the way without the button showing. So you have to put this battery in this way, but what you have to do is check that you actually have a battery in it, and check, see the plus, have the plus facing this way, facing up, and put the battery in with all the writing and numbers facing this way, back in. Check that your battery is not dead, and if so, replace it. And how do you replace the battery? Well, you just have to get the number, which on this is CR2025, and then it's pretty much lithium battery, as you can see down the bottom where my thumb is. So it's CR2025 lithium battery. Just put that in Google and find it online, or you can find it in stores. Just ask like someone at the cash register or someone working in the aisles of the floor, and you'll be able to find these in a shop like Walmart or whatever. And then put it back in. And then just make sure it clips in, because if it doesn't clip in properly, the battery isn't going to register in the remote. And then see, works just like that as well. You don't want demo mode on, so if you don't want demo mode on, turn it off and unplug it. So unplug it completely and then plug it back in. You need to plug it into a power source that has enough power. Stereos will work, and only if you have it turned on. So it will work if I plug it in. Look, so you just saw it flash. It will work. TV, you can plug it into your TV in the back if it has a USB socket, but it has to be turned on. Your computer, you can actually have it turned off, even though it's turned on. You can have it turned off and you can actually use it. So that's my third tip. Use something that actually has enough power to power the LED light strip. So if any of these helped, please like the video and subscribe and share with your friends in case they have the same problem. And comment down below if it worked, if it didn't, and thank you for watching the video. Hopefully it worked. Thank you, one thumbs up guys.